Lillabel, what are you playing with? What's the doggy doing? Lillabel, what's the doggy doing? You like the new doggy? Don't hit him, sweetie. Pet him. Remember, gentle? Gentle. Remember, gentle? We gently pet the doggy? Yes, I know you're excited, sweetie. Oh, the doggy's crying because you pulled him over. Yes, you like the doggy, huh? Yes. Be gentle, remember? Gentle with the doggy. Lillabel, be gentle with the doggy. What's the doggy doing? Lillie, don't hit the doggy. Kiss him. Good girl. Kisses. Kisses. Good kisses. Don't hit, sweetheart. You're so funny. You're so funny. What are you doing to the doggy? Don't push him over. What's he doing? What's he doing? What are you wrestling him for? Don't break him, sweetheart. This is the only toy you're getting. Oh, he said I love you, Lillabel. The doggy said I love you. Doggy. Say it again. Say doggy. Say doggy. You say doggy? Say doggy says kisses for Lillie. Lillie, don't hit him, Lillie. Don't hit. Don't hit. Lillian. Lillian, don't hit. What's he saying? You gonna play tug of war with the doggy? You're supposed to put that in the doggy's mouth, remember? Put that in the doggy's mouth. Put it in the doggy's mouth. If you put it in the doggy's mouth, he plays tug of war with you. Hi. What are you doing with the doggy? Press his little back. He said, I love you, Lillabel. You play tug of war? Can you play tug of war? Put it in the doggy's mouth. You want to put it in the doggy's mouth? No, not in Lily's mouth. In the doggy's mouth. Alright, mommy's gonna stop recording so I can help you, okay? The doggy's getting you. The doggy's getting you. Bye-bye.